Hi, my name is Jonathan Haber, and my aim with this video is to show potential employers and recruiters a bit of what I'm capable of as a web developer. In service to this, I'm going to show you just a bit of just the tip of the iceberg of my current Flagstone project, which is a tool that's dedicated to actualizing your latent potential. This tool automates and synthesizes a bunch of different practices that you might otherwise find by sitting with a life coach or sitting with a therapist or sitting with a consultant dedicated to supporting you in tracking your goals and your aspirations and how you want to live your life. This is an example of my skill set as it is today in HTML, HTML5, JavaScript, jQuery, CSS, Bootstrap, and a little bit of Angular. You can use it to add new goals and to track them, to evaluate the degree of coherence each goal has with your values, how important it is to you. You can use it to clarify your aim in relation to each goal. You can use it to evaluate your degree of integrity with that aim. Do something you don't like here, you can mark the goal as a today goal with OpenAppleT, then open up just your today matters to look more closely at it and more closely at the other items that you've highlighted as being significant for today. You can also click on Coach Me on this and get a coaching window for going deeper into this goal. In terms of evaluation still, you can also evaluate your degree of commitment to being in integrity with your aim in relation to this goal. You can identify where your priorities are, what you want to look at more fully, and then go ahead and dive right into it through the coaching window. This window over here has a bunch of different coaching tools from different lineages and methodology. Within them, there's a lot of different things that this can do through several thousand lines of code, through a bunch of HTML, JavaScript, jQuery, a little bit of Angular, a lot of CSS, ton of jQuery. You ask it to do integrity coaching, for example, which there's a keyboard shortcut for all these, which you'll see denoted after OpenAppleT, :10, and then it'll evaluate my degree of integrity with this aim and then coach me accordingly and support me in that. Do the same thing with my degree of commitment with each item. At any point here, I might notice something novel within, and there's a fundamental pivotal function of all of the tools that this contains, that's contained in here for supporting connecting to the experience. And this will help you connect to what's going on emotionally, both consciously and unconsciously. Unconscious longing will coach you accordingly to what you demarcate as what's coming up for you. Desire for perfection will coach you accordingly, and that's just the connect your experience tab. And this is all built in here, additional tools and processes, and then other things that you might add to your log. Let's say that you're working on this and you identify another habit you want to incorporate to support your process in relating to the goal. You can do that there. All of these things are tied into keyboard shortcuts and they weave in and out, and this is primarily just built and tested on Firefox. It's not tested on Safari or any other browser, and it's definitely not functional on the phone yet. This is a web app designed for a laptop. All of this was in relation to our goals, whereas all of our aspirations, the qualities of being we yearn to inhabit and live out, these are all available also. This can track your aspirations, it can track your inquiries, it can track your insights, and it'll actually coach you differently depending on what you're encountering and presenting in various ways. I appreciate your willingness to take a look at this, and I'm looking for work, so please forward this to any recruiters that you think might be suitable, or if you're an employer and it seems like I might have the kind of mind that would benefit or complement your team, one of your teams, please reach out to me and let's arrange for an interview. I'll speak with you soon. Thank you so much.